Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Samsung Assy Knob Best Gas part #DG94-04167A. Samsung Assy Knob Best Gas part #DG94-04167A is a replacement part for Samsung gas range cooktops. It is a black plastic knob with a chrome finish and a white indicator line. This knob is used to control the temperature of the gas burner on the cooktop. It has an easy-to-grip design and fits all Samsung gas range models. The part number DG94-04167A is printed on the back of the knob for easy identification. This part is an OEM original equipment manufacturer part, meaning it was made specifically for Samsung products. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty or damaged Assy knob for Samsung gas ranges. It can fix issues such as the knob not turning, not staying in place, or being difficult to turn. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Remove the existing knob by pulling it straight off the valve stem. 3. Install the new Samsung Assy Knob Best Gas part #DG94-04167A onto the valve stem by pushing it on until it is firmly in place. 4. Turn on the gas supply to the appliance and test for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.